Welcome back to Cursed Mining, and today it's already time for the November farm update. Last week we got rid of most of my Baikals, and since then there has been some chaos in the room. Also, the Octominer has been staying in the middle of the room for now, since I had to protect it from dust in the hallway, since we were cutting wood for winter, and that is in the next room. So today everything gets its place again, and we'll do some order while talking through the machines. The Octominer will help with the room exhaust towards the house like this. Now it actually is a door stopper. Also simply looking good with the lighting. Until the next update, I promise I'll treat the door to some stickers that it looks better. Regarding mining, I wanted to ask you a question. Recently, projects and pools have started to contact me through the channel or Discord and asked for mining tutorials and videos on how to mine their project. So therefore, I wanted to ask you, would you like to see more contents like that? One example, because we are talking Octominer at the moment, would be Aeon, where I was kindly invited to join Aeon Tech Discord. Let me know what you think. Of course, I'm not talking about chill videos, just mining tutorials and how-tos as always. Turning to the AMD rig now, here I wanted to do some changes, but still nothing has happened. I have mentioned planning a Vega project, and I wanted to slowly convert this rig to it, meaning slowly selling RX 400 and 500 cards and turning them into Vegas. But right now I'm not sure with AMD's GPU situation. Possible RX 590 or even Vega 20 rumors have been around for some time now, so that is the reason why I'm still unsure how to proceed. But what I can tell you already is that some more GPU mining content is upcoming either way, and that I will also definitely get an RX 590 when they drop, in order to do videos, testing and mining benchmarks for you. So let's move to the Z9mini and move the machine itself. It's getting a new place to where the Baikals were. On this height, the airflow of the room is just the best. Warm air always pushed towards the small air channel. While doing so, I also decided to power both the Z9mini and the remaining Baikal from 1200 watt server PSU to save some space. Should run pretty cool like that and not pull more than 800 watts. And yep, it's no problem to run more than one ASIC from only one PSU. Daily earnings are still dropping, but the efficient beast will stay in the green for some time. There is still Z9mini content upcoming, which I wanted to do long ago. China has been taking its time. Examples would be cooling or PSU efficiency experiments, or another complete earnings update. If you folks are interested, let me know. That also brings us to the last Baikal. Through a colleague of mine who is also downsizing his Baikals, I found out that contrary to Antminers, Baikals do run without a fan attached to the slot on the PCB. So that would allow for easier cooling experiments without using stuff like fan simulators. In winter, I like to distribute miners through the house to serve as little heaters, so the Baikal would be turned into a silent living room miner experiment. This would justify its existence. Running like that, the Baikal is completely cool. It's on X13 and DeepOnion, so one could try a weaker fan, for example. Let me know what you think of it and if you have any ideas. L3+, L3+, L3+. What to do with you? Earnings fluctuate a bit up and a bit down, but basically it's running at a bit of a loss already. Still accumulating Litecoin. So will you be the next machine to go? Let's see, but Bitmains, seriously, they really want to get rid of their machines. Ouch. After finally covering CPU mining more, I'll also include the PCs in future updates, and there is also a crypto PC video upcoming, but nothing has changed since the Kryptonite video, so we can already move on. Next to the PCs, the USB miners are fine, and many of you good people have reached out to me in Discord because of the videos, and some have started or learned mining from it, and I think that's great. In that regard, I also got some inspiration from you regarding solo mining, another point of the list I really have to get behind. So only one farm update left this year. Crazy how fast time passes, especially thinking that this channel only started in March. This last 2 weekends I have been on the road again, and I've been playing concerts, and it's also been my birthday last Saturday, so life has been a bit chaotic at the moment. It's nice to come down to the room and just tinker around in peace again. The channel itself is also always pushing me back on my feet no matter how exhausted I am. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for that. I can also report that with the last road trips, everything finally stays stable while being gone. Always nice coming home without the one machine having gone out of business without being noticed. That's already it. Thank you all for your previous and continuous support. Happy mining and bye!